Hi everyone, so this is Monday's dictation. So write the word dictation in your dotted thirds book and the date, which is the 24th of August, and we will begin. The first sentence has got 5 words in it. It's a statement. Come and play with us. So there's your 5 words. Come and play with us. So we break that down. You write come and. Play with us. Remember 1 finger spaces, please. Come and play with us. The second sentence is my dog is ill today. My dog is ill today. First 2 words, my dog. Is ill. Ill means sick. It's the same as meaning as sick, but I want you to write ill today. So we'll go over it now. If you need to make a change, cross something out and put the right letter in that you think. Do not rub out. Come and play with us. My dog is ill today.